In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a note to a test invoice in Stripe. To begin, open your Stripe sandbox and go to the draft invoice that you want to edit. Make sure you are working with the correct test invoice before making any changes. Once the invoice is open, you can start updating its details. After the draft invoice is on your screen, scroll down until you find the section labeled Additional Options. This area contains extra settings that you can apply to the invoice before it is finalized. Take a moment to locate it clearly so you can access the memo setting without missing it. Inside Additional Options, look for the Memo option. There will be a checkbox next to it. Check that box to enable the memo field for the invoice. This step makes the note section available so you can add the message you want to appear on the invoice. Once the memo field is enabled, click into the memo field and type your note. Enter the text carefully and make sure it says exactly what you want. This note can be used to add a short explanation, a reference, or any other message that should appear on the invoice. After you finish entering the note, click Confirm. This saves the memo to the draft invoice and applies the change. It is important to complete this step so the note is not lost when you move on. Next, click Review Invoice. This will show you how the invoice looks with the new memo included. Check the invoice carefully and verify that the note appears in the correct place and that the text is accurate. If everything looks right, then your update has been added successfully. The full process is simple. Open the draft invoice in your Stripe sandbox, scroll to Additional Options, enable Memo, type your note, confirm the change, and then review the invoice to make sure the memo appears correctly. This is a useful way to add extra context to a test invoice before it is finalized or shared for internal review. Keeping the memo clear and accurate can help make the invoice easier to understand. That covers everything you need to know.